Creating an impactful PowerPoint presentation is crucial for individuals across various fields, including students, professionals, and business personnel. However, crafting a compelling presentation traditionally involves significant time and effort, requiring expertise in content creation, layout design, and visual aesthetics. With advancements in technology, leveraging AI can streamline this process, making it more efficient and accessible. In this video, I will share a step-by-step guide on how to create an engaging PowerPoint presentation using AI tools. First of all, launch to the browser and write Gamma AI. I will give you its link on my description box. Click the first link. Now click on the sign up for free. Continue with your Google ID or with your email. Here you can also create your own working place for your team and company. Write any username or workplace. How do you plan to use Gamma? Tick any one of them. What kind of work do you do? Type anything. I will write education. How do you hear about us? I will write Instagram. Now click on the Get Started. This is the interface of this AI tool. You can create presentation, document, or any web page here. In today's video, I will focus on the presentation. In this website, different topics are also given, but if you want to make it in any language, then you can write any topic here and it will create presentation in just 2 minutes. For example, I am writing the topic, the impact of technology on society. Click on it. It has given you the outline, like introduction, brief history of technology and society, positive and negative impacts, role of government, regulating technology, future, and in the last conclusion. But if you don't like these outlines, then you can also change it by clicking here like this. You can change until you are satisfied. Now click on the continue. You can choose any theme here which you like the most. Click the continue. Now here is the outcomes. In just 2 minutes, your whole presentation is ready. Well, you can also make changes in the presentation. You can see on the right of the side, there are different tools in which you can add more images of your choice. You can add more content here. Whatever change you want to bring, you can bring it as per your wish. Here you can see the plus sign in the middle. It is used to add blank slides. You can see the table of contents here. You can change the theme here. Here you can share your presentation or you can direct present here. Now you can export this video by clicking the share button. You can export either in PDF format or in PowerPoint format. Now our presentation is ready. Let's check it out. Alright friends, I will wrap up my video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating a presentation with this AI tool. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, happy creating!